Welcome to our exploration of one of nature's most fascinating creatures, the hummingbird. These tiny, vibrant birds are not just beautiful, they have an incredible life story. Let's dive into their world. Hummingbirds are known for their dazzling colors and remarkable flying abilities. With over 300 species found primarily in the Americas, they are the smallest migrating bird in the world. Hummingbirds' physical characteristics. Measuring just 3 to 5 inches in length, hummingbirds have unique physical traits. Their wings can flap up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in mid-air. Their iridescent feathers can appear in a rainbow of colors, depending on the angle of the light. Hummingbirds' feeding habits. Hummingbirds primarily feed on nectar from flowers, using their long, specialized bills and extendable tongues. They also consume insects and spiders for protein. To sustain their high energy levels, they must eat several times an hour. Migration patterns. Many hummingbird species migrate long distances. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for example, travels over 3,000 miles from its breeding grounds in North America to wintering sites in Central America. This journey is grueling, but these tiny birds are determined. Hummingbirds' nesting and reproduction. Hummingbirds are solitary nesters. The female builds a tiny cup-shaped nest using plant fibers, spider silk, and sometimes even feathers. After laying 2 eggs, she incubates them for about 2 weeks. Once hatched, the chicks grow rapidly, leaving the nest in just a few weeks. Hummingbirds' importance in ecosystems. Hummingbirds play a crucial role in our ecosystems as pollinators. While feeding on nectar, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, helping plants reproduce. Their presence is essential for the health of many ecosystems. From their vibrant colors to their incredible migration journeys, hummingbirds truly are remarkable creatures. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into their life history. If you love hummingbirds as much as we do, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more nature adventures. Thank you for watching.